that just really classes this area up. It's going to cross this beautiful bridge.
Got this beautiful bridge, and Tom Bodell is waiting for us.
Motel 6 sign right at the end.
Yikes.
Oh my God. Look at that. Gold Beach, home of the Motel 6.
We have HBO. We are headed south. This is a fun, different trip. Kind of a partial trip of what we were going to do a couple years ago that we didn't get to do because someone got sick. But we're headed very far south. We're headed to Brookings, Oregon, which is right on the coast of California and Oregon, right there on the border. Not the coast. It is on the coast.
It is on
It's on the border coast.
Border coast.
Border coast.
What is that?
The coast on the border. Border coast. I'm making up words.
I don't think that's a thing.
It is today. So
Like
we are
crooked.
We are headed there today. We're meeting our goodest friends.
Our goodest friends.
Brandon and Michelle.
They're gooder, but they're not our good. No, I'm kidding. They're great friends.
We've known them forever. Let's get down the road. Let's get after it. I can't wait to check and drive along 101 when we get down there and cut over. That's going to be awesome.
Yes.
Hopefully some neat stops along the way. So let's get after it.
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Tune in and break away. Forget our fear of what comes after. We'll hold on for better days. Let our past begin to shatter. Days like these, we can see the way to live out a new chapter. Tides come in our way as we move closer to matters.
Welcome. We are here at Seven Devils Waterfront Ale House. They have two locations here in Coos Bay, Oregon. But this place is like right on the water. It's, kind of upscale brewery, restaurant type. It's so far it's really, really nice. And the people here are amazing already. And we haven't even started. So we're about to enjoy a flight. You can do a flight up to 7 beers. So there was just 4 that we wanted to try that were on tap. So we have a blonde, a session, a hazy, and an IPA.
So we'll probably walk upstairs later too and check it out.
Yeah.
The guy said we can walk upstairs and look at stuff. So we're gonna hopefully do that, but we're gonna walk outside because the view here is pretty freaking awesome.
It's really pretty.
We'll show you a little bit of that a little bit later.
It's a beautiful day.
Coos Bay, Oregon.
Look at that. Say hi.
This up here, this is actually really cool.
Yeah. It's not open right now, but they have their own bar up here. This is very cool. Go ahead, talk
I
about
think
it.
Seven Devils is great. The food's really, really good. Location's awesome right here, kind of on the bay. Beer's pretty good. I had all the beers I like a lot.
Yeah, me too.
So, headed down 101, going south. You gotta go through Coos Bay. You gotta stop here.
Yep.
It's really, really good. Like, cool spot, great parking, great views, good food, good beer, and drinks too if you want drinks. Family friendly, kid friendly. 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Would recommend.
Loved it. It's gorgeous here. Look at this view.
All right, so we are at this little place called Redfish Restaurant, something or other. It's in Port Orford, Oregon, and we are about an hour north of Brookings, Oregon, so pretty close to the border of California, but look at this view.
Times like these, they come and go. So let this feeling grow. Finally see what we've always known. So let this feeling grow. These days come to life like a river keeps on winding.
What a beautiful day today we had, just kind of hanging out, doing a lot of nothing and just sitting enjoying this view. But tomorrow it's Trees of Mystery. We're gonna go check out that outside of Crescent City. It's about 30 miles from where we're at here in Brookings. So far so good in February. We'd love it. Trees of Mystery, Klamath, California, with our goodest friends.
More Bester.
More bester friends.
Yes, more best.
So we drove down from Brookings, which was an hour-ish, if maybe.
Maybe, almost.
So we are gonna go explore, limp, probably buy some Bigfoot stuff later, I'm hoping.
Oh, for sure. Absolutely.
Let's go explore. Really?
Osprey. You hear it? Sounds a lot like a crying child.
A hysterical young female.
So the gondola ride up is actually kind of fun.
Well, yeah, because it's the only quiet space that we found.
It's the only quiet space in the park is the gondola. It's worth the ride up, for sure.
It is. No, it's gorgeous up here.
The osprey nest is in that dead tree, right?
See, this is Disneyland. Exit through the gift shop.
Thank you.
Welcome to the gift shop.
Yeah. No, we don't need that.
Okay, ready? Here we go.
His mouth doesn't.
Which one are we doing though? Do we want to go? I think we go this one this
Okay,
time.
sure.
Get ready.
Well, hey there. Happy to see you today. I'm Paul Bunyan. After you dropped in your dollar, go ahead and choose your design. And with my raw strength, I'm going to crush you a special souvenir penny right before your eyes.
Put her in the cup, Charlie.
Look at you can almost read what it says.
This one's worse.
Not the stuff.
In a mug.
Yeah, they're
I don't even know what that is.
That's Babe. If you look really, really close from a distance.
Oh, I don't.
Is
I
that,
hope not.
is that Abraham
I
Lincoln
don't want them
writing
actually
baby?
drinking out of this.
Okay, so we're sitting outside at our house. The neighbors that were staying in the house next to us left. And we're just watching the ocean. It's a beautiful day again. And we look over and we see some ponies. And I am going to try to get as close as I can to them. Oh, there's lots of ponies. Oh my God, they're freaking adorable. Hi. Hi, Bubba. Hi. Hi. How are you? Hi, bud. Hi. What are you doing? Hi. Huh? And there's a couple more over here. Let's see if we can pet these guys. Hi. Hi, guys. Hi. Hello. Hi. What are you doing? What's going on, fellas? Huh? Oh, you guys are cute. Hi, did you need a hello too? Hello. Hello. So, anyway, ponies.
Happy drive home day.
It's always the longest day, for sure.
Just want to kind of get home, right?
Yeah. You know, you just have a lot of driving. We have a 7-hour drive.
But we've been on the road for a while. We got up early. Been on the road
early.
since what, 5:30ish?
5:30. Yeah.
So we wanted to get home and
Yeah, we have stuff to do. We both have to go to work tomorrow. And
back to reality.
It's just hard. I don't know about anyone else, but I have a hard time like coming home too late the night before you have to go back to work.
You know what? Comment below if you guys, what do you do on your last day headed home for a trip as a weekend warrior?
Do you go full bore till the very last possible moment and then...
Or do you try to get home early and have some downtime before you have to go back to work?
Yeah.
So yeah, let us know in the comments. Love to hear what you guys do.
Yeah. So anyway, so we're on our way home. We had a great time.
Oh, we had a fabulous time. I think Brandon and Michelle, thank you so much for a great time. As always, when we get together, it's a lot of fun and a lot of silly.
A lot of silliness, a lot of laughs.
And that's what we need.
Yeah, a lot of relaxing.
Yep. The Southern Oregon, California border, where we were down there, there's a lot to do to drive around to. It's all kind of a drive to get to, but there is definitely a lot to do in the area with the redwoods and all sorts of different stuff. So
yeah. There's actually there's a lot more to do further south, but we just didn't have it in our plans.
So yeah, there's lots to do in Southern Oregon. Like Christine was saying, you can go further south and there's a lot to do down there.
Yeah, a lot more redwoods.
A lot more redwoods.
A lot more hiking trails, things like that.
We're gonna save that for another trip.
Yeah, no, we'll just have to do that another time. Yeah.
So thanks for watching. Thanks for joining us again. Don't forget to comment down below about what you guys do on your trip, and we'll see you guys next time down the road.